guys, welcome to the channel. Hey, I had a brainstorm the other day. I was looking through my videos and I seen, man, I'm getting a pretty lot of views on these two videos I had out, and I never really made a post video. So here we go. So it's been like 14 months since I changed the motor in here, and we've been driving it pretty much every single day since there. This thing has been very, very dependable. It's got 20,000 miles. We put 20,000 on in 14 months. It's not too bad, but and she's like brand new. So here's the deal on this. We pulled that motor out. We got it from Marketplace. Had to travel to Indiana, picked up the motor, $200. Brought her home. I had all new gaskets. I bought a new intake, a couple of new little parts, and we rebuilt. Well, didn't rebuild it, but cleaned it all up, freshened it up, put all new timing chains in there. There's like 4 timing chains. Put them all back together, get this baby to run. She fired right off the top too, like nothing. It was unbelievable. And then we've been driving her, just running. I just checked the oil. She's all good. She don't leak oil. She don't burn oil. Runs sweet. Gets pretty good gas mileage. She's really peppy too. I changed the training fluid and everything in there. This thing's peppy. When you want to go, she'll move. And it's only a V6. All right, guys, let's take a look under the hood. See what we got going on. There she is, guys. Nice and clean. Still looks good. We haven't done anything but change the oil. I changed the oil like 3 times in 20,000 miles. 3 or 4 times. I had Ford do it too, so I don't know if it makes a difference, but whatever. So, alright guys, we yanked that baby out last year, rebuilt a new one, and then put this one in there. Okay, a lot of my stuff I referred to was this book right here, Chilton's book, and everything's in there. Your spark plug firing order, your intake, torque specs, all that shit. Everything's in there. It's nice to have. And sometimes it was faster to look it up in here than to use your phone. Actually, believe it or not, the old way seemed to be better. But we bagged and tagged everything and put it in a box, put it back together. At the end, when we're done, we're like, man, where do these go? Oh, yeah. Put those in. You know, you got to do that stuff then. And it was kind of complicated because I really never done anything like this, but we just took it apart and put it right back together exactly the way it was, and it wasn't hard at all. Wasn't hard. The only thing is that alright guys, so everything's in the book. It's nice to have. You can refer to your phone, but this is like the exact year and everything. Sometimes you can be off a year and get different specs. I did buy a brand new torque wrench because a lot of things are plastic. You got to torque it to what it's supposed to be, or the plastic cracks. It's kind of tough to be a maintenance guy, like a mechanic there, from what it used to be. Alright guys, 20,000 miles, a year later, I'm doing good, $200. I love it. This car is awesome. Alright guys, let's take a look around. Alright guys, here we are. So I'll go over a little bit, like, because some guys didn't see the videos, and if you didn't see it, they're good ones, not bad. Anyway, so on this post review, anyhow, this was a $200 motor we got from Marketplace. We took it, and because the other one was just seized up, it was full of antifreeze, it was terrible. We found this one for $200. Drove to Indiana, picked it up, tore it apart. I had all new chains and gaskets, put it all back together, you'll see in the video, and we slapped it in here. Well, we didn't slap it in here, it took us like 4 weeks. Anyway, just doing a review. She runs awesome. Don't burn any oil, she don't leak any oil. I've changed the oil like 3 or 4 times already. She gets pretty good gas mileage. She's peppy as hell. Dude, this car will move. And she's a good daily driver. All fluids were changed and topped off when I did the motor last year. None of them changed in a year. None of them. She's awesome. So that's it, guys. Go buy the book. It'll help you out. And close her up. Yeah, she looks good. She looks good for an 05. Just a couple little specks of rust, not bad. We get her undercoated. I like using that fluid film. Seems to work the best. That's a good car. Wow, that car's badass, ain't it?